Hi everybody, this is Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing, and welcome to today's weekly walk in the park where we take 3 minutes to answer your questions about roof repairs, roof replacements, and the insurance claim process. Now, I know it has been a long time since we've done one of our weekly videos, and I apologize for that. It's been like 4 months, but you know, all of the hailstorms that we had last summer, that was just crazy intense, and that really slowed us down. But now we're back on track doing our weekly videos. So today we're going to answer your question appropriately since it's wintertime. Can you roof my house in the winter? Well, the really nice thing about Colorado, and Colorado Springs in particular, is the fact that we have really temperate weather even through the wintertime. So here it is, first week of January, and the forecast shows that we are supposed to have temperatures in the low 50s for the next week and a half. So that's perfect weather for us. So yes, we can roof in the wintertime. There are a few guidelines that we have to follow to be able to do that. It's got to be 40 degrees, 45 degrees or warmer with a warming trend over the next couple days, because you want those shingles to be able to seal, and if you don't have that warm weather, that's really not going to work. However, as long as you've got those kind of conditions, then you can go ahead and roof. So like I say, here it is, the first week of January. We've got a roof on the schedule this week. We've got another really large one next week that's probably going to take us 5 to 6 days to complete, but the weather is supposed to be nice all next week. A lot of it also depends on what kind of shingle that you're using. Believe it or not, that makes a big difference. That's one of the reasons why we like the CertainTeed products, and especially the CertainTeed Northgate. And so we're going to do a review of that particular product, and we'll post that video up here. So the bottom line is, yes, we can roof in the wintertime. We can do your house in the wintertime as long as conditions will allow us. We want it to be 45 degrees or warmer. Clear sunny day just like today. That helps those shingles seal, and we want a warming trend in the future. So hopefully that answers your question about whether or not we can roof your house in the wintertime. If you have any other questions about roof repairs or roof replacements, anything in particular, please give our office a call. Phone number right up here, 719-433-6991. Otherwise, you can visit our website where we've got tons of tips and information and education. That website address right down here, homesteadroofingcolorado.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, give us a like. Be sure to subscribe and click the little bell up there so that you get notified when we have future videos posted. Also, be sure to leave us a comment. Let us know. What questions do you have? What do you want to see us make videos about? Otherwise, I'm Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing, and we will see you on our next weekly walk in the park.